Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oats Upma, a healthy and quick meal. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, and 1/4 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables. Also, prepare 1 teaspoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, a few curry leaves, 1 green chili, and a small piece of ginger. Don't forget salt to taste, and 2 cups of water for cooking. These simple items will create a wonderful dish. Now, let's start the cooking process. First, lightly roast 1 cup of rolled oats in a dry pan over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become fragrant. This step enhances their flavor and texture. Next, in a separate pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil. Once hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, incorporate a pinch of asafoetida, a few fresh curry leaves, 1 chopped green chili, and a small piece of grated ginger. Sauté these aromatics briefly. Moving on, it's time to add the vegetables. Introduce 1/4 cup of chopped onions to your tempering mixture and sauté them until they turn translucent, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 1/4 cup of your chosen mixed vegetables, like peas, carrots, or beans, and cook them for another 2 minutes. Now, pour in 2 cups of water and bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil. Finally, season the boiling water with salt to your taste, ensuring it's well combined. For the grand finale, gradually add the roasted oats to the boiling water, stirring continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Once all the oats are incorporated, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it cook gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the oats will absorb all the water, becoming wonderfully soft and fluffy. Finally, garnish your freshly made Oats Upma with some vibrant, fresh coriander leaves. Serve this wholesome and delicious dish hot for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.